Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mobile Public School Sitasangi. I am your computer teacher. This is standard 7th, and in this video we will going to discuss about the short of internet and web services and little bit of activity on internet. Now in previous video we will see the what is internet and what are the web services offered by the electronic devices. So that is a various service provided by the web services are chattings, emails, video conferencing, social media networking, e-learning and e-commerces. So these are the web services are offered by the internet or web services. Now we will going for the further, that is next topic is e-reservation. So let's see the what is e-reservation. E-reservation system is an online reservation system. It refers to the process of making reservation electronically via internet. A number of websites facilitate a e-reservation for booking hotels, resorts, property and ticket for railway, airline or movies etc. from home or office. Some of these websites are irctc.in, bookmyshow.com and MakeMyTrip. So we can view the availability status, buy or cancel ticket from the internet, and a ticket or an confirmation slip is provided as proof of reservation, which can be stored as an email or as an SMS in a mobile phone. The e-reservation have some advantages. So let's see. First, that is convenience, means we don't have to physically run around for a booking ticket. We can do the same while sitting comfortably at home or office with an internet connection. Another is cheaper. E-reservation is cheaper as it removes the commission of a middleman. Another, the flexibility. That is, we can get the reservation done any time of the day or even in night. And the range of a choice, we can compare the quality, price and suitability of a number of service providers before actually making a reservation. The fifth is the safety. E-ticket cannot be lost or mutilated means damaged like a paper ticket. And it's so flexible. We can reschedule, replan and make other modifications which were not possible or extremely difficult in manual process. Let's see the e-banking. E-banking, also known as online banking or internet banking, is a web services through which the user can connect to the website of the bank to perform any of the banking functions. The bank websites provide the following services. That is, e-banking allows us to pay our bills. It allows us to transfer money from the one bank account to another, means other. We can request a checkbook. We can generate account summary report. We can get fixed deposit done. The user selects these services and interacts with the website. Let's see the advantages of banking. That is to save time and cost. We don't have time. We don't have to go to the bank for the banking transactions, thus saving the transportation, time and cost of fuel. Another is a comfortable. We can do the banking transaction comfortably sitting at home. We don't have to stand and wait in a queue. Third is the save energy. It saves our energy. So in this way we will see the e-reservation and e-banking in the next. Now I will show you how to search the any type of things, anything in the internet. Okay. Now I will tell you how to start internet on our computer. So first you have to start your internet connection from your computer. Then select the browser.
for searching any type of information from the internet. But do you know what is browser? A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. Okay, then so for that I will select the Google Chrome and then press OK. Okay, so I will choose here the Google Chrome. So in this way the Google Chrome will be start. Now I start the Google Chrome. Okay, now our browser started. Then type anything that you want to search over the internet. So I will write here robot images. See, it will be, and then enter. So I will search here the robot images, and internet showing our related answers, that is robot images. Okay, now so in this way we will search anything from the internet what we want. Okay,
So in this way we will discussing about what is internet and what are the web services we are used in our internet and how to start the internet. Okay, so you will be practice it at your home. Till in the next video we will go into the further. So till then, have a good day. Thank you.